Hi everyone, I'm Yuto and today on Sudachi I'm going to show you a special technique to make Japanese hot spring eggs known as Onsen Tamago. I have a few points before we start. First, your eggs should be chilling in the fridge. It's important that they're properly chilled before you start. And you will also need to chill 300 ml of cold water to above 10 degrees. So first those are ready. Pour 1.5 liters of water into a pot and bring it to a rolling boil. Place a lid on top to help it boil faster and prevent evaporation. Don't just fill up the pot. The measured water is important to ensure the recipe's success. You should also use smallish medium pot so that the eggs will be submerged. Once it reaches a rolling boil, turn off the heat and add the cold water from the fridge. This is going to bring the temperature down to around 80 degrees Celsius or 176 Fahrenheit. If you have a thermometer you can be more accurate, but I made this recipe so that you won't need one. As soon as you've added the cold water, add 4 eggs straight from the fridge. Place a lid on top and set a timer for 15 minutes. We're cooking these eggs in the residual heat, which will make them silky and soft like onsen tamago should be. While we wait, let's make sauce. Take a small bowl and add 2 tablespoons of dashi stock, half tablespoon of light soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of water, and a tablespoon of mirin. Microwave for a minute to evaporate some of the alcohol. Okay, my timer is going off, so we're going to gently remove the eggs from the water and place them in a bowl. Let them rest for 3 minutes on hot days or 5 minutes on cold days. They will continue to cook, but the temperature of the environment affects how much. While you wait, prepare some cold water and ice. Then once the time is up, submerge them to stop the cooking. Rest once more for about 5 to 10 minutes. Okay, it's the moment of truth. Let's crack it into a bowl and add the sauce. This is a typical way to serve onsen tamago as part of a Japanese style breakfast. If it's a success, the whites should be barely set and the yolk should be silky and ooze out. I have to say I make this recipe often, but I always get a little nervous cracking the first egg, so I'm really happy to share this success with you. Onsen tamago is great on its own with a sauce or used as a creamy topping for spicy dishes like taco rice or dry curry, which I'll be posting a video of soon. And great news, I've launched a free mobile app that makes following along with my recipes even easier. It's the perfect kitchen companion after watching my videos. You can access step-by-step instructions right on your phone while you cook. The download link is in the description below. Anyway, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed that one. If you want to learn more information about this recipe, check out the written version on my blog. The link is on the screen now. Thank you again, and I hope to see you in the next one.